how to use AutoDS for Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use AutoDS for Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see right here, I'm on their website autods.com. Now over here, if you don't know what it is basically an importer. So you can import items from other websites or other stores into your Shopify store, and it's amazing. So right here you can see it's not free. It's going to cost you some pretty penny right here. As you can see, for the first month or for the first half a month, you can go ahead and start now for just $1, right? With this, you can easily go ahead and import up to 200 products with the import 200 method. It's going to cost you $20 per month, but you can go ahead and get it for $1. It is their most basic automation feature. Get 200 products, all right? You get product research tool, draft manager, order manager, product manager. You get product image editor, product variation support. You get one-click draft creator, full business dashboard, and 24/7 support and all supported suppliers. You don't get the academy or the bulk importer, which I think is important, because if you have like 200 products set up, you can bulk import them instead of just going one by one. I think they should have that within this plan, because or they can just create a free plan that allows you to get like 50 or 100 products and then whatever. But yeah, so just get started. Over here we're going to get started with AutoDS. We're going to create an account. So let's go ahead and click on get started, or click on any of these options right here. So you can sign up with your Google account, your address right here, email address, full name, and password. But I'm going to continue with Google. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you to select the selling channel. So we're going to select Shopify, and then you just go ahead and get started for free. One of these methods, well, not free, would just for $1. So let's go ahead and get the full package, which is the starter 500. Get it for $1. And once you've done that, you can see right here, connect your Shopify account. So you have three options right here. I have a Shopify store connected to AutoDS. Use the AI to generate pre-built Shopify store, or I don't have a shop. So I already have one. So I'm going to click on that one, click on continue. And now it's going to take us over here where we install the application, which is the AutoDS. So we're going to install the AutoDS application onto our Shopify store. Wait for a couple of seconds, click on install. And once it's installed, it's loading up over here. You can see right here, it says that the store has successfully been added. It is now connected, and we are good to go. So now all that's left for us to do is to go ahead. We can see right here, this is a checklist that they gave us. We can earn $40 in auto order credit by completing these steps, right? So first things first, add your first draft. You can browse in the marketplace or add the product with the link. Add your first product, link untracked products to AutoDS, check how to make your first sale, and complete the checklist and earn 40 credits. So we're going to skip that. So how does this work? So you can see some of the products we already have over here. We can search for anything over here in the search bar, right? And right here is the marketplace. You've got the shipments where you want to ship to. On the left hand side, you've got your ad product, single product, multi-product, handpicked product, all of that. You've got Ad Spy, where you can go ahead and basically take a look at other people's ads and see how they work. So easily browse through TikTok and Facebook ads to find the most popular dropshipping product to sell in your store. So you can buy the Product Finding Hub add-on right here. It's an add-on. It's not already given to you, which is weird. You've got the trending product right here. So here you will be able to find the trending products over onto TikTok Marketplace or Facebook or whatever. You have your print on demand options right here, where you can go ahead and create a print on demand product right here. You've got the dashboard over here where you'll be able to go ahead and see how much orders you've made, how much profit you've made, total revenue, all that stuff. You've got your orders over here on the left hand side where you'll see all of your orders. Your products are going to be over here. So let's go ahead and add some products. So to add products, click over here, and let's say we want to add a single product. Then we just enter in the supplier URL. So let's go back over here to the marketplace. Right here, you can see we got categories, and let's say we want to select outdoors, or we just want to go with clothing and jewelry. So we're going to click on clothes. We're going to find some clothing items that would look good. So let's go ahead and find some hoodies, actually, like this one, or this shirt. Actually, this one also looks pretty good. So this is actually really good. We can import this one as well. So we'll just simply click on import draft. It's going to be added into our import section. You can click over here to check the progress, and we'll also import this one as well, right? So now let's come over here onto the left hand side and go into drafts. You can see right here, click on drafts. Here you will find the products that you have added to your store. So this is the product. Now, if you click on a product, you can click on this little arrow key. You'll be able to go ahead and check out the description of the product title, description, variants, and images, and all of that, right? You can add tags and whatever. So Manfinity Home Men's Drop Shoulder Plain Long. I don't think that's a good name for this type of shirt. So what we can do is let's go to images, since this is the image right here, right? So let's go ahead and download the image or resize it, whatever you want to call it, right? Download the image. So this name looks much better. Men's Drop Shoulder Diamond Quilt Sweatshirt. Pretty simple name, right? Nothing too crazy. We'll put in the collection for men's. This collection will be synchronized with your store. So any collection that you have into your store, it'll pop up over here. So next to the description, we can see the description of it. I think we don't need to go ahead and mess around with the description. Looks good. Got the variants over here. So you can go ahead and import the variants. You've got images over here. So I don't think we need a lot of images. You can see right here. So one of each would do. So maybe two. So one, something like this, and one of this. So again, one of this and one of this, right? Let's select all of them and then just deselect the ones that we don't want to delete. So one of each would be fine, right? We've already got the white one, so we don't need them. So now we'll just delete the rest and we'll click on remove. There we go. Now we have a simple image, two images of each color. So we've got the off-white, white, brown, gray. Yeah, I think this looks good. Next is item specification. So here you can add specifications of your item. But once that's done, just simply click on save and import, and the product will be automatically imported into your store. And boom, it's imported. We can view the product in the product section right here, as you can see. So in the product section, we can find it. And if we go to our store, go into products, we can see it is right here. So right here, you can see pretty simple. It's automatically uploaded onto the store as well. And we are good to go and we can start selling. So it's as simple as that. You come over here, create the account, and import products from all over the world. So you can see this is from CG Dropshipping. This is from Shein. The image that we uploaded or the product that we imported is from Shein as well. Jeff's Store, retailers, Walmart, Renown shops over here. Again, Shein. So you can go ahead and import products from all over different parts of the website. Again, just simply click over here. You can also find the AutoDS as well. So if you click on AutoDS, it's going to go ahead and import the product. So let's say AutoDS we're going to write. So bestseller 8 sale 4 credits. So if you have credits right here, you can see we've got 400 credits. Select the amount. We can select from China or US, France, wherever, right? So for now, we'll just select China. We can select AliExpress or other options. And let's say 8 sales per month, right? Total cost of, we want 5 products, right? 4 credits per product. 5 products, 4 credits, it's going to be 20 credits. Let's go ahead and click on add as draft, or just simply click over here. See what they want. So item is being added to drafts. So over here, if we click over here, we found one of those products right here. So it automatically detected it. This product right here is going bananas or going crazy over there onto AliExpress. But if you want a specific product, you click over here, add in the URL or upload the CSV file, you add the credits right here, select what you want, and you are good to go. So this is how we can use the AutoDS function to promote or get the most popular products that are being sold on AliExpress and move them over here onto our store. And there we go. This is how you do it. This is how you use AutoDS. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.